February 6, 2017, 161 Unit 2, South Union Street, Concord, North Carolina. Padlock renovation. Wooden floors have scratches and surface scratches throughout. Need to be checked out. Several black markings and nail/holes in the walls. Majority of trim need to be painted. Color soft too. Bifold door for bedrooms taken down. It's laying on the floor. It needs to be installed. More markings on the walls. Recall the toilet. Shower is a shower head. Sink stopper works. You need door stops condition. Hairline crack in the ceiling. And recall the kitchen backsplash. No signs of water leaks. Old food in the refrigerator needs to be removed. That's about it.